Hey Eagles, today we'll be asking teachers around the school to tell us some test-taking skills. Alright, let's check it out.
Test-taking skills. The first thing I would say is come prepared and well-rested. Once you start taking tests, I would mention you should remember to read everything. Read all the answers before making a choice. I would underline important key facts so that you make sure you're answering the right question. And review. Make sure that your answer makes sense. Process of elimination is always one of my favorites if it's a multiple choice test. Good luck.
The most important thing about taking tests is to thoroughly know the information, but be able to understand what you know. Don't just memorize facts, dates, names, formulas, but understand what it means.
To do well on a test, you need to make sure that you're well prepared and study in advance. Studying hours before the test is not going to be helpful and will give you probably some test anxiety when the test is passed out. Also, when you're taking a test, try to stay calm, and if you need to, skip questions and come back to them. But always make sure you check over your test that you've answered all your questions.
All right, when studying, take a 15-minute break for every hour that you work. And then if you're studying past midnight, you're wasting your time.